Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make easy sauerkraut at home. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 medium to large head of green cabbage and about 2 tablespoons of non-iodized salt. A large mixing bowl, a sharp knife, and a 1 quart or 2 quart glass jar are also essential. Make sure all your equipment is clean and ready to go. This simple process yields delicious, probiotic-rich sauerkraut. Now, let's prepare the cabbage. Start by removing any bruised outer leaves and quartering the cabbage. Carefully cut out the tough core. Then, thinly shred the cabbage using a knife or a mandolin, aiming for strips about 1/8 inch thick. Place the shredded cabbage in a large bowl, add the salt, and massage it vigorously for 5 to 10 minutes until it releases a good amount of liquid. Once the cabbage has released enough brine, it's time to pack it. Transfer the salted cabbage into your clean glass jar, pressing down firmly to remove air pockets. Make sure the cabbage is completely submerged under its own liquid. This is crucial for proper fermentation. You can use a smaller jar or a fermentation weight to keep it down. Seal the jar loosely and let it ferment at room temperature for 3 to 10 days, tasting periodically. After fermentation, your delicious homemade sauerkraut is ready. Transfer the jar to the refrigerator, where it will keep for several months. The cold temperature slows down the fermentation process. Serve your sauerkraut as a tangy side dish with meals, or add it to sandwiches and salads for a burst of flavor and probiotics. It's incredibly versatile and good for you. Also, for more great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.